Hello and welcome everybody. GOVX stock is going to be one of the stocks that's going to be have great population. So after it was on 2021, it decreased a lot, but in the previous quarters it was huge values because in 2020 was a great population. A lot of people was searching about what was going to be on one day update on GOVX stock. Okay, that increased depends on how many people are going to trade. So that means it was a good population in 2020, but in 2021 all people sold this stock and returns back to another stock. And however, this is going to be depends on also the cycle of stocks and the nature of stock itself. It's going to be also called GOVX lapse. That's what can I say absolutely on this video about the technical analysis and price prediction of this stock.